Nakumbie tubu soki yote Kambo evanadamu Maladi oyo Etoboneli mwana Yesu mama Nakumbie tubu soki yote Kambo evanadamu Ayoyo Etoboneli mwana Yesu mama Nakumbie tubu soki yote Kambo evanadamu.
Hii kazi ambayo tunafanya ni ya muda, ni wachache ambao wanaweza kupata nafasi na baraka kama zile nimepata, to be in the media for 46 years plus and still counting. So hapa ni moshi tu, na moshi ukitoka haurudi, unapita tu. So take it easy when you are in the media, please. Ujue kwamba watu ambao wanakujenga ni hawa ambao wanatutazama, ni wale wanatusikiliza.
My darling, you have been so many different things to me that I did not know at that time. You have become my husband, a loving one at that. You are my pillar of strength. You are my hope when all is falling apart.
We were just starting to try and revive citizen radio and stuff. You are a game changer. We were going against another legend. May he rest in peace.
Yes.
Tony
Salame was doing a good job.
Shaky Leg at,
yes.
What is it called? Metro? I think.
Yes, Metro FM.
And we were saying the only person who can actually help me do this is this guy. Then
you are a legend. Not a single day that you call and say, leo siski kuja job. You know, over the years, you inspire us. You inspire many artists, many interns when they come in. A lot of the producers have nothing but praise for you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Fred. Happy birthday. You are an icon. You continue to inspire. May God bless you as you enter yet another decade. And you know what I admire, other than your personality, character, and everything else? Your physical fitness.
I don't know anyone else who enjoys his work as much as Fred Machoka does. And I think he's very fortunate, because imagine being a lover of music and your job is to interact with music and share with music with millions of people on radio and on TV. And that is what Fred does. And when you watch him on air or listen to him, it's obvious that he's totally consumed by the music. His passion and commitment